Looks like somebody's up early today. Morning, everybody. It's time for day 2 of the workload here, the great bush cutting adventure here on the Rancho. Let's get to it. There's the great Trotsky, the Russian blue. Well, let's look over here, guys. This is what blew out yesterday. I got to figure out if I can get the other one fixed for the future or not. But this is the new Milwaukee Sawzall. I've got it all fitted up. Seems nice and heavy duty. My other one was, of course, more metal than they have today. But I think this will definitely fit the bill. And this pruning blade has been doing fantastic. So I'm just going to cut. I've got a problem here. The next one down the road really pitches into the neighbor's driveway. Well, you know what? I'm just going to have to cut it, and then when the gate opens, I'll just pull it out over here or whatever. I really don't have a lot of choice in the matter. I don't think I can pull it back to this side. It has too much of a pitch to it. So, time to get on it. Let's go. See, that's gradually opening up with this morning's first couple drops here. This is the first one that had to go in the driveway of the neighbors. They'll be happy, but there's some I'm not going to really be able to take down unless I can get in there. But these are thick, these things, there's no doubt about it. So I'm gonna bring this saw over and cut this a little bit to get a little easier to dispatch. Take it over to the other side. Oh, it's looking pretty good, but I'm running out of space in the driveway here, and I'm becoming more of a public spectacle than usual. But I've just got 2 more big ones to take down. I've got this front down. Show you how big these trunks get on this stuff. It's been here a long time. Long time. Big. So I'm gonna cut this baby. It's gonna be a great one to take down. I finally made contact with the neighbor. I didn't even know there's another gate over here. They're gonna open this one today. So I can get in there and drop that on this side and pull it out. So I'm gonna try to do all the cutting now. I think he's getting the dog secured in there. I'm done the front, but I'm gonna have to start dealing with some brush or it's just gonna be overwhelming. We got about 3 more big cuts to make here, and then some grooming cuts will probably be tomorrow. I've started to make a pile back here, cutting away the large branches so that the mower can mulch this up. This is a low spot on the Rancho anyway, so any matter I put in there is going to help fill that up. It's well, day 2. We're in the thick of the sauce now, boys. We are in the thick of the sauce. Ooh, okay, the gate's closed on the other side. All that remains over here is grooming for tomorrow. But since I have a lot of tree in a neighbor's place over there, I'm really going to have to start dispatching some of this stuff now. So I'm going to put the mower on mulch mode, and I'm going to cut away the branches from the main, I don't know what you call them, logs, and start doing that. And then tomorrow will be strictly a day for doing the touch-up grooming of these bottle brush. But I think you have to agree, even though it's a little rough looking right now, it's better than that high stuff that was just overshadowing everything. So plenty more work to be done, and I'll worry about the back part there. They're not nearly as thick. They're relatively new that I planted over there. These are the originals. So, all right, I'm gonna take a break. Let me show you guys what I'm working now. I'm starting to get pooped out. I've got all this. Well, I'll show you. I got quite a lot here. I've put quite a lot in the back already, and I have to get this stuff over here and then do the final shaping tomorrow. But what I'm doing is dragging the cut into the back, and I'm stripping off the big logs, the pieces that can't be chewed up by the mower. And these mowers do a great job of chewing up small stuff. I'm using this as a separation area, and I'm building the pile of logs here and on the other side. And finally I'm dragging, this is going to be a massive pile back here, but I'm dragging all this to be cut up by the mower. And I don't know if I'll save a lot. I don't know if the wood is good for use or not for the future. I'll have to see what the story is on bottle brushwood. But what the heck, let's keep going. It is time to wrap up day 2. You can see we've got a massive pile, probably 30 feet by 5 feet by 20 feet so far. I've dispatched a lot of material to be chunked up over here, as I said earlier, and I'm down to just pulling the last pieces in here and separating the big trunks from the branches. There are limits, safe limits to what the mower can do, and I never exceed them. You can see the amount of logs that's over here, and even bigger ones we've cut here. But a lot of progress for day 2. As you can see here, a much better view of how nice this is working out. Still a lot of little work to be done here, but it's just so much cleaner looking. It doesn't have that huge threatening overhang that's already crushed part of the fence. I was lucky today. I'm gonna have to pull this over tomorrow, so don't cheer too soon. Got these big pieces that are gonna have to be dealt with tomorrow, brought over, and some of this is huge. Those trunks on there, they don't look like much, but they are big. Some of these sub trunks too, so they got to be pulled in, but you can see how much cleaner it looks over there. So I'm going to call it a day today. As you can imagine, a little tired but happy, and really pleased with the results. So I hope that if you're not subscribed, you'll please subscribe and hit the bell for all notifications. And thank you for watching, and thumbs up are appreciated. Thanks everybody. Woo!